So Google have released its first ever Pixel Watch with features like controlling your phone's camera, some next level customization, Google Maps, and even watching videos. So let's get into some tips and tricks because this stylish watch has so much more to show us than just the time. So of course, we've got to start with gestures and all the actions you can do with this watch. So if you rotate the crown down, it opens up the control center. If you click it, it opens up your main menu with all the applications. If you click the Recents button, you'll see all your most recent open applications. And if you tap and hold, it'll actually close them. Aside from using the crown, you can also swipe down to access the control center. If you swipe left or right, you'll access tiles, which are basically highlights of things you want to know like weather, steps, and heart rate. And if you swipe up, there's notifications. Another cool feature is lock screen. So if you tap this icon, it'll lock your screen and stop from any accidental touches or swipes. To unlock this mode, it's super simple. All you need to do is hold the crown down for 2 seconds, and after that, it'll unlock your watch, and then you can use it like normal. Then if you want to shut down or restart your watch, just click and hold down on the crown until you see this menu and you're good to go. You can also turn the Pixel into a megapixel and control your phone's camera. This is probably one of my favorite features and it's just so useful. You do need to make sure you have the app, so within the Play Store, download Google Camera, and now once you tap open, it'll open your phone's camera and you can control it remotely. So from your watch, if you scroll the crown, you can zoom in or out. If you tap the shutter button, it'll start a 3-second timer, then take a pic. Or you can change that by clicking on this little menu at the top, change the timer over here, and even switch the camera. It is pretty responsive, but can lag a little bit sometimes, but for the most part, it is so awesome. So this watch is great for taking pictures, but just watch what you can do with watch faces. So to change or edit watch faces, you just need to tap and hold down, then tap on the plus icon, and right over here are all the different options you can choose from. Each watch face has its own customization, but one of my favorites has got to be this one, concentric. So you can change the color as well as the style. There's a couple ones to choose from, and then even add complications, which also have a ton of different options to choose from. Once you're done, you have a super slick, stylish watch face, and I just love the way this one counts down the seconds. So from the 20 different watch faces you get, these ones are the best ones to customize and come with a lot of cool complications. Then you also get this one that literally spells out the time. I mean, tell me that telling the time with text is not top-notch. But what is also top-notch is in the Play Store, you can download this app, Facer Watch Faces, and in here you will find hundreds of different custom watch faces that you can download and use on your Pixel Watch. When you're ready to add one, just click the plus icon and scroll down, then make sure you add the Facer Watch Face. In a couple seconds, it'll show the watch face you chose. And with this, you get thousands of free and paid wallpapers, and to be honest, this actually works so much better than the options you get with Apple Watch. Now, let me show you how you can call and text right from your wrist. First things first, if you're receiving a call on your phone and place your palm over the watch face, it'll instantly mute everything. To call someone, you can just tap on the phone app, then go to your contacts and choose whichever contact it is you want to call, or you can also dial them using the keypad. Then you can chat
Jeepers creepers.
using just your watch.
Look, Mom, no hands.
And you can even access the keypad or adjust the volume all from your watch without ever touching your phone. Let's not forget, you can also respond to messages. So if you scroll down, you'll see all the different response options, whether that's just an emoji, using the microphone or keyboard, it's totally up to you. But when you're done, just click send. You can get all sorts of notifications like WhatsApps, Instagram DMs, missed calls, and even emails, and you can respond to all of those right from your watch. But besides texting and calling, you can also listen to music and even watch videos. So straight out the box, it comes installed with YouTube Music, but if you go to the Play Store, you can download Spotify. You can then go to your library and select any one of your playlists, and right at the top, you'll see this option, Download to Watch. It'll take a couple seconds to download, but after that, you can listen to music without using your phone. Another cool media app you can use on this watch is Shazam. So instead of bothering the DJ, just use this app instead, and it'll automatically identify any song that is playing. But probably the best app that is already installed is this one, Media Controls. With this, you can literally control any media playing on your phone, whether it's volume, pausing content, playing music, and even skipping forward or changing the video. So useful. But check this out. If you want to watch videos on your watch, you can download Video Gallery from the Play Store, and almost instantly it'll display the photos as well as videos that are in your gallery on your phone. I mean, how cool is that? So because this is a Google Watch, it will of course come with Google Maps. And the amazing thing is you can literally search for locations on your watch using voice to text or the keyboard. And once you've found the location, not only will it give you directions, but you can also choose to show that entire route on a map and use the crown to zoom in or out. And the cool thing is that as soon as you start using Google Maps on your phone, it'll automatically open up on your Pixel Watch. It can also carry your cash around for you. So in the Watch app under Google, if you tap on Google Wallet right over here, you can say Add to Watch. And once you've run through the entire setup, you can tap the crown button twice and bam, there's your card. And of course, what would the Pixel Watch be without Google Assistant? To wake her up, all you gotta do is click and hold down on the Recents button, then just go ahead and ask or say whatever it is you need to. And it can do almost anything for you, like take pictures, make a call, remember where you parked your car, and even translate. And the fact that you can do all of this right from your wrist? Convenient. So you might not know, but Fitbit is actually a big part of the Pixel Watch, and to track your workouts within Fitbit Exercise, you have so many different ones to choose from. Once you've selected an exercise like running, you can even adjust the goal right from your watch. So when you're ready to go, just click that play button and now it'll start tracking all that super important information, which is also stored on your phone. So within the Fitbit app, you can scroll down to exercise, and in here you'll find all your workout info, like your heart rate zones, how many calories you burnt, and even a map to show your exercise route. But if you want even more exercise options, you can download Google Fit or even this app that is called Strava. And get this, Google Fit has a whopping 96 different exercises. And Strava is kind of like a social media network for exercise where you and your friends can keep track of each other. But besides fitness, Google also fit this with some banging health features. Sleep tracking is pretty important these days, and the Pixel Watch comes with it straight out the box. Within the Fitbit Today app, if you scroll right to the bottom, you'll see sleep, and in here, you'll get a bunch of sleep stats on how you slept that night, and all of that will also once again be in the Fitbit app with even more information. In here, you can see 30-day averages, benchmarks, and even your blood oxygen throughout the night. Speaking of sleep, another really cool thing to do within the Alarm app is once you've gone and set an alarm, you can actually scroll down and turn off the alarm sound. That way, you'll only be woken up by a nice gentle vibration instead of a super annoying alarm, and trust me, this actually makes a big difference to how you start your day. Inside the same section as sleep, you can also check out a bunch of heart rate stats. And what's super special about the Pixel Watch compared to other watches is that it tracks your heart rate every single second. For some rapid-fire quick tips with an emergency SOS, make sure you toggle on emergency gesture. That way, if you tap the crown 5 times, it'll call emergency services. Under display, there is this really nifty feature called Sunlight Boost, and if you toggle on this, every time your watch is in super bright sunlight, it'll boost the screen's brightness. The Pixel Watch also has a flashlight feature. Within Control Center, just tap that icon, and now you practically have a torch on your wrist, and it's actually pretty bright. You can definitely see a lot in the dark with it. Back inside Control Center, another useful feature, if you tap on this icon, it'll instantly ring your phone and make it so much easier to find. Then if your battery is running a bit low, on your phone, you can toggle on battery share, flip your phone over, place your Pixel Watch on the back, right in the center, and bam, your watch will start charging. Apple and Samsung now have huge competition with this stylish bad boy. If you want to see the Pixel 7 Pro, then make sure you sub. Otherwise, you can check out these 2 videos, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodles!